Hi sweet friend, I'm Sprout. Let's crochet a soft, simple little flower. I'm using soft cotton yarn and a 2.5 mm hook. Wrap the yarn gently. Let S make a magic ring. Chain 1 to start the round. This doesn't count as a stitch. Round 1, 12 single crochets into the ring, 12 total. Place a stitch marker. It helps you keep track. If you're new here, I have beginner basics on my page. Once you have 12, pull it snug. Change yarn. Let's start petals. Chain 2. In the next stitch, make a double crochet increase. That's just 2 double crochets. Right in the same stitch. Lay the yarn tail over your hook. Crochet over it to hide the end. Crochet over it to hide the end. Chain 2. Slip stitch into the next stitch. That's one little petal. I'll show it once more. Chain 2. In the next stitch, double crochet increase. Chain 2. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Make 6 petals total. Fasten off and weave in the ends. And just like that, simple and beautiful, you did it.